Hello everyone, today we will introduce the aerial parade, Tour de York, in South Carolina. It's organized by EAA Chapter 961 and local authorities. Today is the second time of the event, following the debut last year. Please ride along for some exciting moments of this annual event. My friend Tom and I arrived at the Rock Hill Airport to get a breakfast and find out the airport was packed by the airplanes for the parade. Roger's CJ6 and Stearman stand out. After breakfast, all pilots gather at the FBO briefing room for a detailed briefing. Again, safety first, no briefing, no fly. The organizers send everyone a map that depicts today's parade route marked by coordinates. Pilots can just follow the route on their GPS to fly. Here's a summary of the route. After takeoff from Rock Hill Airport, we make a right turn to the south tip of the Lake Wylie, then turn northwest and head to Clover. After passing Clover, turn south to York Airport and then York downtown. After passing York, turn southeast and head over to Rock Hill downtown. And after that, we will hit another few points of interest and come back and land at Rock Hill Airport. The corridors on the east were created to separate traffic for opposite directions. Now we're ready to go. As everyone is moving, we are waiting for the one assigned for us to follow. And here he comes. On the co-pilot seat is Tom. Unfortunately, the mic on my brand new headset didn't work. I had to use Tom's headset and he had to stay silent on the whole trip.
You can hear the radio, right?
The 150 was the last one in the Charlie group.
Traffic 047.
We're just following behind the guy that's in front of us.
You see the tail wheel is doing S turns.
Just
because you cannot see
and left side of the runway low level.
Yeah, so we're gonna stay at 1700 feet and 98 knots. Just follow this guy.
This
Oh no,
is
that's a low
fun.
wing. Oh.
I feel like I'm on a carousel.
27 Golf Sierra, rolling.
Potential aircraft in the vicinity of the Rock Hill Airport, Clover, and York area. This aerial parade is en route with 30 to 40 aircraft in the air for the next hour, 1,700 feet over the route of flight over Rock Hill in the area.
4 Tango Bravo on the go.
Okay. Good.
On the go. And for the parade, the Rock Hill temperature is 3018, 3018 on the meter, folks.
29ers on the go.
Catch up here, 1340 Tango, kind of up space, 23 light. And 490, taking off 20 Rock Hill.
Alright, let's go.
I know that sucks. What's that bird?
Okay, we'll just follow this guy.
That was close, Rod.
Somebody almost hit the bird.
Hey, keep it rolling on up there.
Okay, we'll level off here.
Traffic, yeah, 1970, 6 to left base.
Where is it?
Yeah, 136.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, rocket traffic on the anti-aircraft vicinity of the Rock Hill Airport. We've got 30 to 40 aircraft in the air between Clover York, Rock Hill, the city of Rock Hill, back to the airport for an aerial tour. 1,700 feet, Rock Hill.
1,700 feet. Cable traffic 19706, turn and final for 22 circuit. Via touch and go for 19706.
That yellow guy is so slow.
Okay, we're gonna slow down a little bit. We're getting close.
I think today's gonna have to be another pool day with all this haze and hot. Gonna have to be a pool day again.
Lincoln County traffic, 37 Quebec on base for runway 23, Lincoln County traffic.
Hi, this is so slow. So slow. Almost overtaking him.
Oh my gosh, he's like on slow motion.
After slowing down to 90 knots, I still find myself catching him up. As the distance keeps shrinking, I decide to overtake him on the right with a safe distance.
Okay, we're gonna follow this guy. Okay, that one is like.
Lincoln County traffic, 37 Quebec turning downwind, runway 23, Lincoln County traffic.
Roger, I'm turning a little early, go right over the downtown.
Alright, we just stay on the wing.
Whiskey 1189, you can come past us on the
Stay on
right.
that guy's wing. Very hazy day. Alright, I have to overtake this guy. Overtaking you 1A9er.
Okay, we got your sight.
1A9er, I think you're right below us.
Yeah, we got your sight.
Okay. There should be an airport in front of us. You see it? Yeah, that's the airport. Okay, I think this is a downtown. They call it York. There are tons of airplanes behind us.
After York downtown, I'm about 3 miles behind the leading airplane, and I decide to add a little bit of power to catch him up.
A lot of people in front of me.
Okay, the biplane is headed towards York. Line up 78144, overtake you.
Okay, nobody right in front of us. There are a lot of people.
3 traffic, 1612 is 3 miles to the north, inbound, enter left downwind runway 333.
So we can look for this guy, 79er.
Yeah, 3 traffic, RV 115, runway Victor is 2 miles to the northwest, be entering left downwind runway 333.
Rock Hill traffic, 834 Hotel Papa, turn on left downwind, we got Terry in sight, Rock Hill. 1 Commander, turn to base, Rock Hill.
Some people already finished it. We're at downtown area. Rock Hill. Where?
Rock Hill traffic, Chipmunk,
Oh yeah, I got it.
20 full stop.
We have flown 30 minutes, so we'll be landing pretty soon. I think probably another 15 minutes to go.
Rock Hill traffic, Warrior 56798, space 20 Rock Hill. Correction, downwind 20 Rock Hill. Rock Hill traffic, Stearman Fox, turning final, 20, full stop.
Fairfield County traffic, RV12 Banner Mike Echo, left base, runway 22, Fairfield County.
Alright, we're about to land. Okay, watch the airplane for me, alright? It's a little crazy here.
And Rock Hill traffic, Warrior 56798, space 20 will be target pattern on space flight Rock Hill.
Okay, traffic, sky
Alright guys, this is my first air parade experience. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more aviation videos like this.